Hello class, I am Happy Narang, your subject teacher of environmental science. Today I am going to cover the topic that is different types of pollution and its effects. So here is overview. Pollution definition, types of pollution, pollutants definition, types of pollutants, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, nuclear pollution. Pollution is the undesirable change of our surrounding environment which affects plants, animals, as well as human beings. Pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality. There are mainly three major types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollutions. Beside these, other minor pollution are noise pollution, nuclear pollution, thermal pollution. Pollutant is a substance or energy introduced into the environment that has undesired effects or adversely affects the usefulness of a resource. Based on the state, pollutants can be classified into three categories: solid, liquid, and gaseous. And based on the degradability, degradable pollutants, for an example, domestic sewage; semi-degradable pollutants, for an example, plastic, DDT; non-degradable pollutants, we can say lead. Air pollution is the mixing of some substances, that is chemical, physical, or biological, in the ambient air in such a concentration that a situation arises in which man and his environment is badly affected, and its causes are natural: forest fire, volcano dust, salt particles, cosmic dust, methane emitted by the digestion of food by animals, radon gas from radioactive decay within the Earth's crust, smoke and carbon monoxide from wildfires, etc. Human made major sources of air pollution: industries, automobiles, and domestic fuels; high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Air pollution affects human health, animal, plants, the atmosphere as a whole. As shown in the figure, London smoke December in 1953, the condition you can see over here. Scrubbers, removal of pollutants, filters, electrostatic participator, building higher smoke stacks, carefully location of industries, these all are the control measures. Water pollution, the contamination of water with undesirable substances which make it unfit for usage is termed as water pollution. Urbanization, industrialization, excess withdrawal of water, agricultural runoff, improper agricultural practices, various religious and social practices, organic, inorganic industrial waste and effluent discharged into rivers, these all are the causes. Marine ecosystem adversely affected, affects the nervous system, kidney, liver and brain damage, radiation, sickness, nausea, diarrhea, general weakness, etc. Weakness, body immune system, genetic disorder, metabolism of plants. About 40% of worldwide death is associated with water pollution. Rivers or domestic usable water source must not be used for washing clothes or bathing of animals. Harvesting of rainwater to meet the water requirements. Dams and embankments must be created. Dead bodies should not be thrown in rivers. These all are the control measures. Noise pollution can be simply defined as unwanted sound. The sound is pleasant or not depends upon its loudness, duration, rhythm, and the mood of the person. Traffic noise, aircraft noise, noise from construction and civil engineering works, noise from the industries, etc. These all are the causes. Hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, sleep disturbance, color blindness. These all are the effects. The government should ensure the new machine that should be noise proof. Airports must be away from residential area. The sound horn symbol is to be in a school or hospital roads. These all are the control measures. Soil pollution may be defined as the presence of different undesirable particles in the soil is coined as soil or land pollution. Macro and micronutrients like JNCU, MGMO, etc., household garbage, industrial waste, sewage waste, etc., these all are the causes. And the effects are these: poor land is not suitable for constructing house, the quality of agriculture is affected adversely, groundwater gets affected, affects living organism like human, animal and plants adversely. More and more land should be brought under farming. Trees should be planted everywhere. Waste matter should be disposed immediately. Avoid drilling the land for more underground water. Avoid using more fertilizer and pesticides. These all are the control measures. Nuclear pollution may be defined as the despite the advantage of nuclear as a clean energy, the big concern is the resulted from nuclear reaction, which is form of pollution called radioactivity. Nuclear power plants, for an example, Newly, Kalpakam, nuclear weapon, for example, missiles, disposal of nuclear waste, uranium mining, these all are the causes. And the effects are: the diseases include blood in cough, ulcer, swelling of bone joints, cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, bone cancer, and eye problems. Avoid constructing nuclear power plant, avoid using nuclear weapons, have proper treatment for nuclear waste. These all are the control measures. Role of individual in prevention of pollution. Masses at present level should be determined to consume optimum level of resources which would lead a comfortable life. Waste disposal at personal level should be optimally reduced as waste destruction by any means causes pollution. Use of chemical fertilizers should be limited as to avoid water pollution, for an example DDT. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.